Hi, in this video I will show you step by step what you need to do to get airdrop from SUISWAP. Go to the link in the description of the video and get to this site. Click Connect and connect your MetaMask wallet. You may change your profile picture and write your username. Press Next. Got it. Profile created. Now go to the profile settings. You need to connect your Discord and Twitter accounts to this site. Now go to the SUI community. You will see all the tasks available to you on the page. Choose the task, complete it and collect your reward XP points. There are a lot of tasks, and they are all very easy. Subscribe to social networks. Invite friends. There are also daily and weekly tasks, you just need to log in every day and click to pick up the reward. Next will be a quiz with enough questions and for each correct answer you will get 100 XP. All the right answers you can find in my Telegram channel, so join the Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Next comes a bunch of tasks related to Twitter, mostly subscriptions to the pages of partners of this project. By clicking on your profile icon you can see how many XP points you have earned and what your level in this community is. To see how many coins you get for your points, go to the Discord channel of the project and find the branch SUISWAP Points. There write the command /SUISWAP Points and press enter. The bot will give you a link to go to. Here you will see how many coins you have earned. Now you have to wait for the launch of the main network and then you can get airdrop your coins and sell them on exchanges. Follow the news on their Twitter so as not to miss anything. Please like this video, for my work. Subscribe to the channel not to miss interesting themes in cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.